Hey y'all, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Today is episode 4 in our series on how to train for Deka if your gym does not have the equipment for it. So this one is all about zone 4, the med ball sit-up. Let's go. Today, we won't be talking about any strategy for the med ball sit-up. If you want that, check out this video here. For today, we're gonna be talking about how to train for the med ball sit-up if you don't have a med ball at your gym or if you don't have the equipment for the Deka Fit med ball sit-up. So we're gonna jump right in with our 2 categories. Number 1, strength, and number 2, mobility. The first one here, starting with strength, is our mock-up for our Deka Fit med ball sit-up. At my gym, we don't have any med ball targets to try to hit or aim for, so this is my favorite way to train for this one specifically. In the Deka Fit, you have a bar to stick your toes up under, so here I've loaded up a small barbell to do that with, and then I also have a dumbbell that's roughly close to that 14 pounds for females, or you can grab a 20 pound for males and try to get close to that med ball weight, and then here all we're gonna do is sit up like normal and then kind of do a little chest pass almost, but not actually throwing the dumbbell anywhere because safety. If you actually do have a med ball, then you can practice throwing that, but here with the dumbbell, we don't want to throw those around willy-nilly. So that's great for getting as close to the Deka Fit zone as you can without actually being at the event. Another way to train for this is by doing a lat pullover. So laying down on a bench, taking that dumbbell overhead and then back over the chest. That's gonna be some muscles that you use to drive the med ball up from the ground when you're in that extended position down in the sit-up. So again, finding a weight that's similar to that med ball weight and then go to town on those pullovers. And our last one in the strength department is a ball slam. This is one of my favorite ones to do for zone 4 and zone 5 because of how much downward force and power you have to produce with your core and with your upper body. So it's going to be similar to that med ball sit-up and the ski here. It's a little 2-for-1. And diving right into mobility here, we're gonna keep things very simple with just 3 variations of one mobility drill because this is the one you primarily need if you're going to be doing a med ball sit-up, especially for Deka where you need the feet apart and the ball has to touch between the heels. That's gonna be insanely important on hip flexibility in this butterfly. So we're gonna train 3 butterflies here, one with the feet far away, one with the feet at mid distance, and then one close as you can get those feet to your hips. And of course, the goal for the sit-up is to get the feet close to the hips during the sit-up so that you don't waste any distance or energy in sitting up farther than you have to. So the more comfy we can get in these different positions with our butterflies, the better we can do the sit-up. So this video is super short and sweet, but that's all for the sit-up here. If you have any other strength or mobility ideas to train on the sit-up, then go ahead and drop those in the comments below. And another sweet thing coming up is that my program Hybrid Strength is about to drop. You will train like an athlete and it'll give you more purpose in your fitness and help you rock those Deka races too. So check out that link down there if you want to learn more, and I will see you guys on my next video. Stay healthy. Bye.